Now, KLBK's first warning weather with forecaster Mark Pena.
Hello, welcome back everyone. Happy Saturday. Hopefully you're able to get out and enjoy the beautiful weather because it was absolutely gorgeous today. If not, don't worry. We got some more nice weather in store, but we've also got some changes to the forecast as well. So let's go ahead and get right to it. This is a look outside with the Overton Hotel Skyview camera, and you can see Lubbock is under mostly clear skies. If you head outside, maybe it's a little bit milder than what we've been seeing. 43 is our temperature right now with an east wind around 3 miles an hour. So a bit of a change considering how cold we spent this past week. Now, as we take a look at the difference in temperature from this time yesterday, most of us anywhere from around 10 to 15 degrees warmer at this hour. Even though the sun is set, our temperatures are cooling off. We're still warmer than we were this time yesterday. So a nice change over the past couple of days. Temperatures across the board right now, anywhere from the 40s to still some 50s down in Snyder, 56 for you at this hour, 51 down in Gale, 40 for us up at this hour in Tulia. Now we've got these winds coming in anywhere from around the east, northeast, even down to the south. We had a weak boundary push through earlier. Didn't come through with much fanfare, pretty much just shifted our winds for most of us, but you can see that most of us are pretty calm at this hour as far as our winds go. And even with the local radar and satellite too, you can see that most of us nice and clear. Just a few high clouds down to the south and east right now, but beyond that, most of us sitting high and dry. And if you're doing any traveling across the country, you've got a loved one maybe traveling, nice and quiet conditions across the entire country, so no delays at our nation's airports. Now, tomorrow will be a little bit of a windy day. We do have the winds that are going to shift back to the west, anywhere from around 15 to 25 miles an hour, which is going to elevate our fire risk just a little bit. So if you have any controlled burns planned for tomorrow, maybe just wait for a couple of days because we do have some rain in the forecast. That way the ground's nice and wet when you do these burns. By tomorrow night, the winds begin to calm down, and then we look forward to mostly calm conditions as far as our winds go by tomorrow. Now we're going to get through Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday just fine, but by Tuesday evening, we're going to have another polar cold front come on through, which will drop our temperatures, and it's going to meet up with some precipitation Wednesday night and into Thursday. And as you see here, depending on when the precipitation comes in, right now it's looking mostly Wednesday night and into Thursday. So if that's the case, we could be dealing with a little bit of a snow to wintry mix here in the central South Plains in the early morning hours of Thursday, while some of us could be dealing with some rain. And then by the mid-morning hours of Thursday, could be still dealing with a little bit of some snow showers here. But regardless, if it's rain, wintry mix, or snow, it's going to be very light in nature. Not a lot of accumulation is expected at this time. And then by Friday, everything clears on out before yet another storm system comes on through by around Saturday, which could be dealing with mostly just a rain event by that time. Now, depending on what kind of precipitation we get, whether it's snow or rain, like I said, if we do get some snow, mostly very light nature and under an inch for most of us if we do see the rain, or if we do see the snow. Now, if we see rain, even if we do see the rain, once again, very light in nature across the board, anywhere from around 1/10 of an inch to as high as around 1/2 an inch when all is said and done. Now, for tonight, we'll see for a low right around 36 degrees under mostly clear skies with the southeast wind around 5 to 10 miles an hour. And then for tomorrow, get outside and enjoy it. Temperatures are going to be into the mid-70s with mostly sunny skies and that elevated fire risk. So once again, just be careful if you have any controlled burns planned for your Sunday. Now, if you want to get outside and maybe take the pups for a walk tomorrow, it'll be perfect to do so. 36 by around 7, but by noon, we're in the mid-60s, and by 3 o'clock, we are back into the 70s. Now, get to enjoy it. If not tomorrow, maybe Sunday, and definitely Monday, we'll see highs in the mid-70s. But then by Tuesday, that polar cold front comes on through, drops our temperatures to the 40s. Tuesday through Thursday, we'll have to watch for that chance for wintry mix Wednesday night and into Thursday. But if we see any precipitation during the days on those days, it'll be mostly rain, and then everything gets on out of here by about Friday.
Seems kind of like the same pattern we've been seeing. So can we possibly expect a little bit of snow? Maybe?
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely not out of the picture,
okay.
But if it does snow, it'll be very light in nature, and then mostly into the evening hours, overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday. And then if it happens during the days on either one of those days, it looks to be mostly rain. So,
all right.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.